Forget complex startups, choose a low-cost, high-demand model. Here's 3 that work right now. Digital services. Think social media management, graphic design, or writing. Sell your time, no inventory needed. Dropshipping. Sell trending products online without touching them. Digital products. Sell ebooks, templates, Notion planners, or mini courses. Create once, sell forever. Pick one. Don't overthink. Validation is key. Build a landing page with a free tool like Card or Canva sites. Add a mock-up benefits and a buy now or book call button. Overlay text, real product or service. Clear value, easy call to action, then post it. TikTok, Instagram, Reddit, wherever your people are. If nobody clicks or DMs you, tweak it or pivot. Once people show interest, collect payment before delivery. Use Stripe, PayPal, or Gumroad. Done. Don't wait to be perfect. Done and selling beats perfect and broke. Keep costs under $100. Spend only on a domain name, a simple website or portfolio. Tools that save you hours, not months. Your first few sales should cover these. Double down on what's working. If one post got leads, make 10 more like it. Happy client? Ask for a referral. Got a product that sells? Add a bump offer. Business is just repeat what works and kill what doesn't. Start ugly, move fast, learn as you earn. This isn't a side hustle. It's your first step to freedom. If you want a free template to build your offer page in 10 minutes, hit the link below. And don't forget to subscribe for real-world business shortcuts.